Hello, I'm David Gerard and this is Pivot to AI. Today, let's replace airline copilots with an AI. There's a shortage of airline pilots and it's only getting worse because the airlines are cutting training for new pilots, they're running out of ex-military pilots who can already fly, and prospective pilots are reluctant to drop $100,000 and up on training themselves. But AI is hot right now. So it's the perfect time to push again for single pilot operations, where you replace the copilot with an AI, a machine learning system. At least it's not an LLM. There's a Hollywood idea of autopilots where you punch in your destination and the pilot can have a nice sleep. That isn't the case. It's more like cruise control in a car. The pilot needs to be active and keeping an eye on things and looking out for trouble ahead. But the movie version informs ideas like single pilot operations. The light version of single pilot is reduced crew operations. Airbus is pushing this one hard. Most of the time you might be able to get away with just one pilot. But most of the time is not good enough. When something goes wrong, you really want two people there, or planes start falling out the sky. Machine learning systems can cope with normal operation. But you need human intelligence to cope with the unexpected, such as the Heathrow Airport substation fire and smoke just last month, March 20th. Stuff like this happens, and a human does fine, and AI does not. In one famous averted disaster in 2010, an engine exploded on Qantas Flight 32 just out of Singapore and blew holes in the fuel tank and the control systems. The flight happened to have 5 pilots on board, and it took all 5 of them to get the plane in safely. The autopilot told the human pilots to switch to the fuel tank that had a hole in it. And if an AI had done the switch automatically, the plane would have gone down, it would have run out of fuel and crashed. So, the airlines and Airbus tried to push single pilot and reduced crew through the European Union Aviation Safety Agency through 2021 and 2022. This failed due to strong resistance from the pilot unions. The EASA has clarified that safety comes first, and it won't be looking at single pilot or reduced crew again until 2027. But Airbus and the airlines are still pushing. If you fly a lot, contact your airline and register your disapproval. The European Cockpit Association has a website for passengers. One means none. Go and sign up. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Remember to hit like and subscribe on this video, which makes the holy algorithm like this channel. And please sign up for the Patreon in the show notes. I won't say it will keep your plane in the air, but it won't hurt. Thank you all, and bye for now.